Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. This is chapter 7 from English, Paramveer Chakra and our heroes. So what is Paramveer Chakra? You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. Decoration means award or honor. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice. Valor means bravery. Whether on land, at sea, or in air. We know that our army works in three different areas: land, sea, and air. The land is known as army, when in air is known as air force, and when in sea it's known as navy. So the Paramveer Chakra is very rare honor, and so far it has been awarded only 21 times, and 14 of these were given posthumously. Posthumously means were awarded after the death of the receiver. So whenever an award is awarded after death, it is known as posthumous. So if we let's look at the description of the medal, how the medal looks like. The medal itself is very simple in appearance and it is made up of bronze. Bronze is a type of metal and it is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. So the ribbon that we see is of purple color and it is plain, and on the obverse it has Indian national emblem that is on the front side, and it is surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Indra's Vajra is weapon of Lord Indra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English and with 2 lotus flowers in between. So on the opposite side, like this in the picture, it is shown the obverse, that is the front side, and on the opposite side there is written the Paramveer Chakra is written in English as well as in Hindi and with 2 lotus flowers in between. So the Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitri Bai Khanolkar, okay, and who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer, and Savitri Bai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She was a European lady. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and studied Indian arts and in traditional depth. So the designer of the Paramveer Chakra is Savitri Bai Khanolkar. Now what's the story behind the Indra's Vajra? Let's read about that. Indra's Vajra or weapon or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon inevitable is the supreme sacrifice of sage Dadichi. Now here's a story related to the ancient times which connects to the Indra's Vajra. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. So the world was waterless, 1,000 years ago, suffering and dying without water. So the demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of original material like wood or metal. Like everyone tried with their own weapons that were available at that time, but nobody was successful and to defeat the demon. So this demon could not be defeated and something extraordinary was required, and Dadichi the sage had bones of such extraordinary powers. But how bones of a living man could be used as a weapon? So sage Dadichi himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. So he sacrificed his life for the people. And Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt was fashioned from these bones itself to defeat the demon, and the demon was finally defeated. Just as the Indra's Vajra defeated power from sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military services its strength and power from sacrifice of the bravest of the brave. Therefore, they are given the Paramveer Chakra. Here is a list of 21 brave Paramveer Chakra that has been already awarded, and you can go through this list and we will be covering in detail about the latest awardee, Flying Officer Jeet Singh Sekin. So, on the 14th of December in 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. And Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhan was in readiness duty. He was at duty that time, and he could not take off immediately because of the clouds dust raised by another aircraft. The other aircraft that were already flying in the sky, due to them the clouds were heavy and dust was raised, so therefore he couldn't take off immediately. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft overhead. They already overtook them, and they were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even the Flying Officer Sekhan took off his NAD fighter to movement he could, but he began to combat and powerful Saberjet in army aircraft. And further, he was successful in defeating them, but at the end, the aircraft also crashed and he lost his life. He was killed in that. But after all, he was successful in saving his people. So he showed unmatched heroism, and above all and beyond the call of duty, and salute to the bravest of brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh. So here we saw the story of how bravely he fought without caring for his own life, and his life was sacrificed just to save the people or to save the nation. So this is what Paramveer Chakra is awarded for. You can read on the internet about more awardees and more information further related to the chapter and the Paramveer Chakra. Thank you.